Pacquiao is now the owner of Mayweather's gym. Folks, this report comes directly
Totoo
from
ba yan?
Pacquiao himself along with the Associated Press, in which it was confirmed that yes, Manny Pacquiao has acquired and is now the new
Confirmed. Associated Press. AP, okay. Pacquiao takes over Floyd Mayweather's old gym and amid rematch tension between the boxing rivals.
owner of Mayweather's old gym that got shut down sometime last year due to financial reasons. Now, just
my
a quick backstory. Before the lights went out
Holy
for this
shit.
establishment, employees and management staged a protest and exposed that they weren't being paid for weeks by the money team. And now, fast forward, the space has a new boss, and
Holy
it's
shit.
none other than Pacquiao himself. The place is now getting rebranded to Pacquiao Prime Boxing after Manny basically walked into Floyd's old gym and said, yeah, this is mine now. Also, just to clarify, this particular gym that Pacquiao now owns is separate from the Mayweather gym that was also shut down due to unpaid rent that resulted in the landlord filing a lawsuit.
What? Grabe.
Pacquiao is
Ano siya? Ang weird nitong laban nitong si Pacquiao at saka si Mayweather. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, they're set to fight again. Okay? Whether you think it's necessary or not, they were supposed to fight again. And ang nangyari, nagpirmahan na sila, 'di ba? Itong si Mayweather, nagpa-interview siya. In one of his interviews, sabi niya yung laban daw is only going to be an exhibition match. 'Di ba? And sabi niya pati yung venue hindi pa daw sigurado, 'di ba? Sa The Sphere, basta yung isang high-tech na parang events venue sa Las Vegas. And actually sanay siyang gawin 'yan kasi ganyan din ang ginawa niya nung nung unang laban nila, 'di ba? Kaya ang tagal bago natuloy. But this time around, the difference is yung mga promoter niya, Netflix at saka yung The Sphere at saka Manny Pacquiao himself. And malamang yung Mayweather team din. And these people don't fool around. 'Di ba? Netflix is so much larger than Floyd Mayweather. And ang bali-balita ngayon, naghihirap na tong si Floyd kasi napakayabang niya 'di ba? Napakayabang ni Floyd Parang his lifestyle is so outrageous. Lagi niyang pinagyayabang yung pera niya, yung mga sports cars niya, and I don't know, maybe hindi naman siya business savvy siguro. I don't know, but for whatever reason, ang sinasabi was his hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars are gone and he is in debt. 'Di ba? May utang siya. Tapos yun, sinabi nga kanina, yung gym niya, hindi niya na maayos, hindi siya makabayad ng renta. And ang pagkakamali ni Floyd, 'di ba? Kaya siya lalaban ulit kay Manny Pacquiao is for him to cash in, 'di ba? Na parang money grab dahil naghihirap nga siya. And ngayon pa naman uso yung mga celebrity fights, 'di ba? Pati nga si na Mike Tyson lumalaban ulit. But this one, itong si Pacquiao at saka si Mayweather, ang pagkakamali ni Mayweather, parang ginagago niya yung Netflix at saka yung The Sphere. Kasi dati ang promoter nila yung mga yung mga boxing promoters, 'di ba? Syempre hawak ni na Floyd yan. Malakas ang influence ni Floyd Mayweather dun sa mga yon. I would imagine but this time around with Netflix, 'di ba? Parang Floyd Mayweather is just parang hindi nga nila turf talaga kasi mas movies, mas Hollywood ang Netflix Pero si Floyd sa sports siya, sa boxing in particular. So kung meron man siyang pull, and Netflix probably knows that he's broke, 'di ba? So wala talagang leverage si Floyd. Tapos manggagago siya, 'di ba? So ang sinasabi, because of his his pronouncements na exhibition lang yun, pwede siyang makasuhan. And binuking siya ni Manny Pacquiao eh. Kasi si Pacquiao, sinabi niya dun sa isang interview niya, tinanong siya, sabi ni Floyd Mayweather, tawag dito, ka lang, yung exhibition lang yung magiging laban nyo. But, sabi ni Pacquiao, ito yung pinaka savage na Manny Pacquiao response sa isang interview ever. 'Di ba? Kasi sobrang bait ni Manny Pacquiao, nakakainis nga eh. Naiinis ako, sobrang bait. Gusto ko minsan mag-angas si Manny Pacquiao eh. Pero this time around, nung tinanong siya noon, sabi ni Manny Pacquiao, kumbaga, di totoo yan. I'm not gonna fight an exhibition match. It's a real fight. 'Di ba? Rekta na kinontra ni Manny. It's a real fight. And he already signed the contract. Sabi niya, mukhang ang tanga si Mayweather dito eh. Sabi niya, pinirma niya na yung kontrata eh. Yung kontrata na yun, it's the same contract I signed. And nakalagay doon, it is a real match. 'Di ba? It is not an exhibition match. So, gaguhan yung kumbaga nagsisinungaling si Mayweather. And aside from that, he already took advance payment. So, nag-advance na sila kay Mayweather kung ilang milyon yun. 'Di ba? So, obviously, malamang sa malamang, nagsisinungaling talaga si Mayweather at binuking siya ni Manny Pacquiao. At ngayon, etong business ni Mayweather, ginagamit ni, kumbaga, makukuha ni Pacquiao, binili niya. 'di ba? Binili ni Manny Pacquiao yung Mayweather gym. Maganda sana, pinabayaan niyang Mayweather eh, 'di ba? Wala pa sasabihin si Pacquiao may-ari. O kaya Pacquiao Prime Boxing, formerly Mayweather, 'di ba? Just to rub it in. Hindi nga lang, like I said, sobrang bait lagi ni Manny Pacquiao eh. Ewan ko totoo ba to? Pero may article eh. Subukan nga natin. Baka hindi totoo to ah. Baka naisahan lang ako ng teka. Subukan natin. Tanungin natin ng Grok. Tangina, bad trip to pag hindi totoo. Tanungin natin. Did Manny Pacquiao really buy Floyd Mayweather's old gym?
Yeah, it's true. Pacquiao just bought Floyd's old Hollywood gym after it shut down over unpaid bills. He's turning it into Pacquiao Prime Boxing, set to open this summer. And yeah, they're already planning to take down that big Mayweather poster inside. Kinda wild timing with the rematch talk, right?
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's kinda savage, isn't it? Pacquiao snatching up Floyd's gym right after it went under. The gym's been renamed to Pacquiao Prime Boxing, and they're already planning to swap out that big Mayweather poster.
So yun, confirmed. Kawawa tong si Floyd. Ang sabi, hundreds of millions daw. At least 100 million daw yung pwedeng sa kanya. I-fine. And that would be terrible kung wala kang pera talaga. 'Di ba? Paano niya babayaran yun? Ang dami niyang utang. Oh my God. How the mighty have fallen. This is pride really does comes before the fall.